Here are 3 quick tips for creating a 3D printed Christmas project like this sledge. Tip 1. Organize your work in components. Plan ahead. Think about how your design will be printed and assembled. Use components for each part. This makes the build process smoother. For example, extrude different parts to different heights. Even with a single extruder printer, you can create multicolor prints by swapping filament during the print. Tip 2. Use licensed assets. Save time and improve quality by licensing assets from talented artists. I used a licensed Christmas tree SVG for this design. It gave me a great starting point and looks far better than what I'd sketched myself. Tip 3. Master sketch constraints. Constraints are your best friend. In this design, the green lines show a fixed sketch. It won't move accidentally. Remove constraints and you can adjust things as needed. Understanding this can take your designs to the next level. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Happy holidays and see you in the next tutorial.